Toasting to success, understanding the phrase in English. Hello everyone, today, we're diving into a delightful aspect of the English language. We'll explore the meaning, usage, and nuances of the phrase, toasting to. It's a common expression used in various social situations, and understanding it can enrich your English conversations. Let's get started. Toasting to is a phrase that originates from the tradition of raising a glass in someone's honor, usually with a drink, to wish them success, happiness, or to celebrate a specific occasion. It's a gesture of goodwill and is often accompanied by a short speech or a few words of congratulations, appreciation, or celebration. This phrase is commonly used in social gatherings, celebrations, or formal events. Here are some scenarios: celebrating a milestone like a birthday, anniversary, or a promotion. Acknowledging achievements like graduation or winning an award. Expressing good wishes in weddings, farewells, or reunions. The key is to use it in a context that involves expressing positive sentiments towards a person, event, or achievement. Let's look at some examples. 1. Here's toasting to your new journey in life. May it be filled with joy and success. 2. I am toasting to our friendship that has stood the test of time. 3. Tonight, we are toasting to the completion of our project. These examples show how the phrase can be seamlessly integrated into different contexts. While toasting to is universally understood, different cultures might have their own traditions and phrases associated with toasting. It's a way of fostering community and shared happiness. Be aware of cultural nuances when using this phrase in different settings. I hope this video has illuminated the charming phrase, toasting to, for you. It's a beautiful way to share joy and success in English. Keep practicing, and don't forget to raise your glass next time you have something to celebrate. Cheers to learning and growing in our language journey.